Life cycle of Equisetum. Equisetum plant belongs to Pteridophyta. It shows mainly two major phases. The two major phases are diploid sporophyte and haploid gametophyte. From these two stages, diploid sporophyte is well developed. It shows rhizome, roots, aerial shoots. Aerial shoots are two types. One is vegetative shoot. It participated in photosynthesis. And it cannot participate in the reproduction. So these shoots are called vegetative shoots. And also these are called sterile shoots. On the lateral side of these vegetative shoots, fertile shoots are present. Fertile means they participated in reproduction. They can produce reproductive organs called strobilus. At early stage, the fertile shoots also participated in the photosynthesis. But at mature stage or at adult stage, the shoots convert into fertile. They can produce cones or strobilus on the terminal part of the fertile shoots. If we observe one strobilus, it shows one cone axis. See the children, it is a cone axis. On this cone axis, sporangiospore is present. It is the sporangiospore. On this sporangiospore, disc-like structure is present. It is the disc-like structure or umbrella-like structure. Below the umbrella-like structure, oval or finger-shaped structures are present. Oval or finger-shaped structures are called sporangium. On one sporangiospore, more number of sporangiums are present. If we observe the sporangium at matured stage, it shows epidermis and tapetum layer. Epidermis is a outer layer, and below the epidermis, tapetum layer is present. See children, in this diagram, tapetum is clearly visible. Tapetum. Below the tapetum function is supplying of food material, nutrients to spore mother cell. Below the tapetum, diploid spore mother cells are present. The diploid spore mother cells undergoes meiosis division, undergoes reduction division. They produce haploid spores. At matured stage of sporangium, the sporangium dehiscensed as a long slit-like structure with the help of stromium tissues. Stromium tissues are present on the epidermis of sporangium. They are in hygroscopic condition. At matured stage, they loses their water and to form a slit-like structure on the sporangium. From this slit-like structure, haploid spores comes out from the sporangium. The spores are in spheroidal structure. Each spore containing 4 elaters. It is the specialized character in Equisetum. 4 elaters helps in the dispersals of the spores from one place to another place. means they act as a parachute-like structure. Each elater, 4 elaters are present. Each elater terminal part look like a spoon-like structure. These elated spores are deposited on the moisture surface. Deposited on the moisture surface, it develop into haploid gametophytic thallus. The haploid gametophytic thallus is in dorsiventral condition. Dorsal side completely green in color. It prepared food material by photosynthesis. And when the rhizoids are present, the rhizoids are mainly helps in absorption of minerals, water, and fixing of the gametophytic thallus on the soil surface. At matured stage of these gametophyte, sexual organs are developed. The sexual organs are called antheridium and archegonium. Antheridium is the male sexual organ. Archegonium is a female sexual organ. Antheridium and archegoniums are developed on the single gametophytic thallus. So this thallus system is also called monoecious condition. Monoecious condition means antheridium and archegonium, male and female sexual organs, developed on the single gametophytic thallus. If we observed one antheridium, antheridium is a male sexual organ. It developed on the antheridial cavity. It looked like a club-shaped structure. It covered with a single layer of Jacquet cells. Below the Jacquet cells, more number of androcyte mother cells are present. Androcyte mother cells are participated in the diagonal division. They develop into haploid sperms. The haploid sperms are also called male gametes. Haploid male gametes. At matured stage of antheridium, Jacquet layer is broken. More number of male gametes or sperms are comes out from the antheridium. These are small in size. Each antheridium look like a cone-shaped structure and containing more number of flagella on the head of the sperm. If flagellas are present, they are in motile condition. They are easily swim in rainwater to reach archegonium for fertilization. Later, near these antheridium, archegonium chamber is developed. Archegonial chamber containing single archegonium. Archegonium containing two major parts. One is venter, second one is neck. Venter is the lower part of archegonium. It contains two unequal cells. One is large size called egg cell. One is small size called venter canal cell. And above the venter, tube is present or neck is present. Neck composed of three cells: neck cover cells, neck canal cells, neck cells. At matured stage of archegonium, venter canal cell, neck canal cells degenerated or disappeared. They produced mucilase chemicals. They are pressured on the cover cells. Cover cells are broken by the pressure. Then chemical substance with mucilase is comes out from the archegonium. It present on the terminal part of neck. If any male gametes are present near these archegonium, they are easily attracted by these chemicals and enter into neck, reach to the venter and fertilize with egg cell to form diploid zygote. Fertilization after diploid zygote is formed in the venter of archegonium. The diploid zygote participated in the mitotic divisions. They develop into diploid sporophytic plant. The diploid sporophytic plant shows rhizome, aerial shoots and roots. they are participated in the asexual reproduction. See children, from this total life cycle, two major stages. One is sporophyte is in diploid condition, gametophyte is in haploid condition. These two stages are alternate with each other. Mean sporophyte alternate with gametophyte, gametophyte alternate with sporophyte. So this type of life cycles are also called alternation of generations. Alternation of generation. Alternation of generations are present in the equisitum. Alternation of generations are present in the equisitum life cycle.